In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add margin in LibreOffice Writer. If you're formatting a document and want more space around the edges of the page, adjusting the margins is the way to do it. Margins control the blank space on the left, right, top, and bottom of your page, and setting them correctly can make your document look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. To get started, open LibreOffice. Once the program is open and you're in Writer, look toward the top of the screen at the menu bar. Click on Format, and from the drop-down menu, select Page Style. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you can control several page layout settings for your document. Inside that pop-up window, look to the left-hand panel and select Page. This section contains the main page layout options, including the margin settings. Once you're in the page section, find the area labeled Margins. Here, you'll be able to enter the values you want for the left, right, top, and bottom margins. Take a moment here to choose the spacing that works best for your document. For example, narrower margins can give you more room for text, while wider margins can make a page feel less crowded. You may also notice a gutter margin option. That setting is useful if your document will be printed and bound because it adds extra space on one side to prevent text from getting too close to the binding. After entering the margin values you want, click Apply. This lets you preview or confirm the changes in the page style settings. Then click OK to finish and save your margin adjustments. Once you do that, your document will use the new margin settings you selected. If the page layout doesn't look quite right at first, you can always return to the same page style window and fine-tune the values until everything looks the way you want. And that's it. That's how to add margin in LibreOffice Writer. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and feels.